The Denver Yardmaster is ready to send this manifest freight train over to Salt Lake City. This is train number 5328, which is the same as the locomotive consist address on the DCC, and it's the engine address because it's the low number of the two units on the head end. But first, the Yardmaster has to do two important tasks. First is to measure the train length. So he does that by comparing to the lamp posts on the same track. So in this case, this is on track 4. He checks the lamp posts at both ends of the train. As long as the train fits between those lamp posts, then it will fit on any siding on the railroad. And the second thing he has to check is a wheel report to make sure the car cards match up with the cars on the train in the same order and it's the correct cars. So he does that on the sorting rail, and then he'll give the packet of cards to the engineer. Now he's ready for the crew to depart, and he's going to call the dispatcher to line the signals and let the train leave. Now a crew has been called for 5328, and the way bills have been delivered to the crew, and when they're ready to depart, the Yardmaster calls the dispatcher. First he turns the phone to the dispatcher channel. Denver to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead, over.
I have a manifest freight train ready to leave Denver for Salt Lake.
What number is your train, over?
Train number is 5328. The length is 1,450 feet.
And will you be needing helpers today, over?
Yes, they will need helpers. The length with helpers will be 1,600 feet.
1,450 feet and 1,600 with helpers, is that correct? Alright, I've got you lined out of Denver yard limits into Rocky siding, and then a little bit uphill after that.
Denver out. The Yardmaster takes the last action and lines the signal for the crew to depart. But this will only line green or yellow for the crew if the dispatcher is in accordance and has lined the signals across the Moffett route. Now the signal has cleared for 5328 to leave Denver.